it's Baby Ninja here. Today we're gonna make a Halloween magnet. Let's get started!
Hey, it's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to show you how to make the squishy inspired Halloween magnets. And this is just a printout that I used from my previous video on how to fix lines in your Epson 2760. I didn't want to waste the test print, so I'm just going to recreate these cute little Halloween squishies that I found online. If you want the actual squishies, I think they sell them on Amazon. I'll try to include the link down below. They are super cute. But yeah, we're just gonna recreate these out of crafting foam for a nice little indoor screen-free craft for my son. And the first thing you're going to need is an image that you want to recreate out of crafting foam. Try to find something kind of simple with minimal colors. And then I'm just gonna try to cut this out. And I can't see like at all. So this is gonna look like a struggle, as you can see here. All the colors blend together. I can't see any like edges, so that's why I have my brother's scan and cut cutting machine, but I was too lazy to put this in and have it cut it out for me. So I do attempt to try to cut this out by hand, and as you can see, big disaster. It just wasn't working. I was afraid I was gonna cut into the image, but I gave it a try, and then I'm like, okay, forget it. I can't see. So I decided to go with this one where I can see better. I can see contrasting colors better, like black and white, if they're next to each other. So since this is all black on the edges, it was easy for me to cut out. So now we cut it out, and we have our crafting foam here. I got these two stacks of crafting foam from Amazon, super affordable. They are kind of half sheets. And the baby helps me find the colors since I'm colorblind. And you need a white, and now we need a black, and he helps me get them. We have our crafting foam prepped, our white and black. We only need 2 colors for this skeleton magnet. I'm going to just lay my paper template on and cut out the body. And then we'll be right back. And now I cut off the head so I can just cut the face. I'm gonna just cut exactly on top of the template. And make sure to save your scraps because they'll be useful to make the eyes and the nose. And then using the white scraps, I'm going to make the little skeleton ribs and bones and little arm accents there. So here are all the pieces cut out. Of course they don't look exactly the same because again I can't see very well. But if you do use your cutting machine, this will be so much neater. But this is a kid's craft, it's a kid's activity. My son's only 3, so I pre-cut all the pieces for him since he can't use scissors yet. And I'm just using this little dry erase marker to draw on the finer details. You can use like a Sharpie or a pen, whatever you have around the house. I'm just looking at this little skeleton's face to draw his mouth with the stitch lines. And my memory is so horrible that when I actually do draw it, I forget that it's a straight line and I make it into a smile. So my skeleton is going to be a little happy that he's a skeleton. So yeah, just draw on as best as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a fun little activity for the kids. And then, okay, I'm zoomed in way too close here. Sorry guys. There we go. So all the pieces are not attached yet. So the part that involves your toddler or your kid is I'm just going to take off all the pieces and put them on the side. I put the black pieces on the white foam that's left over so I can see, and then the white pieces on the black foam. And some of these pieces are really tiny, so just be mindful when putting them aside because it is craft foam, and if you have a gust of wind or something, it'll be all over the place. Anyways, did you guys like the intro? my baby really insisted on doing a voiceover, so thumbs up this video for his hard work. He's so cute. Okay, so now I just have an Elmer's glue stick. This one is the purple tinted one, so that it's purple when it's on there and it dries clear. So the baby put on all the pieces himself. Here's the finished skeleton once it's mostly dry. Now that it's dry, I'm going to take a strip of magnet tape. This is kind of like it has adhesive on one side. You just pull off the wrapper or the protective film and then stick it on. If it doesn't stick well enough, you can always just put some Elmer glue stick on top of the sticky and then press it on. And then let that dry fully and you're basically done. Look at that, it sticks to your fridge. It's still a little wet, but I didn't let it fully dry, so just don't move it. I basically just put it on the fridge where he can't reach it and let it dry fully for like a couple hours. But look at how cute. And you basically just repeat the same method and you will eventually have all the characters. For some of the characters whose eyes were just really tiny black dots, I used to stick on googly eyes, which I will also include in the description down below. They really come in handy with kids crafts and a whole bunch of other things. So yeah, look at how cute. We have a little skeleton, a ghost, Mr. Frankenstein. They're so easy and fun to make. Okay guys, that's all for this crafting video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below about what you think about these cute DIY Halloween squishy inspired magnets that me and my son made together. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!